In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a retrospective using Jira. Now, the first thing you want to do here in Jira on the left, you want to click on one of your projects. And then once you do that, you want to click on Pages up top over here. Now, as you can see, at the right, it's going to say Create a Page. And then inside the popular templates, you're going to see there's going to be a retrospective. If you can't see it, click on More Templates and then find it in there. So click on that. And as you can see, this is going to start loading up, and within just a few seconds, you'll be able to see your kind of a template for your retrospective, which you can customize. So there we go. You can give it a title, so retro, for example. And then up here, you can just basically go through the overview. You can add in a date, theme, participants, and then you can go with these things over here. So what you should start doing, stop doing, keep doing, etc. So you can do, of course, whatever you want with this. And then once you are happy with your retrospective, you can simply click on Publish up here, and this will be published, and you've successfully done your retrospective using Jira. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.